The Bee and the Flea by Dr. Sara Northern. Hi, my name is Bee. This is my friend Flea. Say hi, Flea.
Hi.
Flea is my best friend. We like to play hide and seek. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ready or not, here I come. Can you help me find Flea? Flea is not by the tree. Flea is not under the leaf. He is not in the weeds. Oh no! I cannot find Flea. I hope Flea is okay. Flea! 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 Bee? Bee! Here I am, Bee. I am on your cheek.
Silly Flea.